Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, August 8th, 2023. It is 2:37 and 34 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, baby stars. So let's jump to it here. As gas streamers feed triple baby stars, date August 4th, 2023. Source, National Institutes of Natural Sciences. New observations and simulations of three spiral arms of gas-feeding material to three protostars forming in the trinary system have clarified the formation of multi-star systems. Most stars with a mass similar to the Sun form in multi-star systems together with other stars, so an understanding of multi-star system formation is important to an overall theory of star formation. However, the complexity and lack of high-resolution, high-sensitivity data left astronomers uncertain about the formation scenario. In particular, recent observations of protostars often reported structures called streamers of gas flows toward the protostars, but it has been unclear how these streamers form. The team found that emissions from sulfur monoxide molecules trace three spiral arms around the three protostars forming in the system. The combination of observations and simulations reveal for the first time how the streamers are created and contribute to the growth and the protostars at the center. And this is a professor of astronomy, space technology, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.